What can Oracle Advertising and Customer Experience do for manufacturing? Oracle CX for Manufacturing offers tailored solutions that enable you to better meet the needs of both enterprise buyers and consumers. Instead of disjointed and siloed technology systems, Oracle CX connects customer data and asset data for a holistic 360-degree view of your customer, helping you improve sales, service, and marketing experiences, provide new revenue opportunities, and support new business models. Oracle CX enables manufacturers to embrace digitization and shifts towards anything as a service and outcome-based economies. Reduce time to market and transform your go-to-market execution with a complete CRM to back-office solution. Engage and retain customers, offer next-level customer experience, and empower sellers by taking advantage of a complete customer experience suite across advertising, marketing, sales, customer service, field service, e-commerce, loyalty, AI, and data management. To see what Oracle Advertising and CX can do for your business, visit our website.